Hey guys, I got an exciting update for you today. We got garage door, power, and lights installed. I'm going to do hanging shop lights so I can move them if I want. So the ceiling light boxes are just receptacle installs. We got floor shop light control at the front and rear man doors. New garage door on the truck. The door install included all on-site hardware installation. Got the door track hung. The overhead torsion bar and spring is installed. Here's progress shots, upgrading the service from 100 to 200 amps. This is the old 100 amp service. This heavy aluminum here is for the sub panel to the garage. This is the old 100 amp meter run. This is the new 200 amp service with the new much larger mains. This is the new outside meter box. .200 amp service is all strapped in now.